Hello everyone, this is Ming from SINE. Today I would like to introduce some of our good products. This is our cryogenic socket. You can see we have US type for US, Thailand and Hong Kong. And this is a UK type for Singapore, Hong Kong and United Kingdom. And this is Shunko type. This is for the European market, France or Germany, Italy. Now we want to talk about our US type connector. We have two types of connector. This is a blue color one is the platinum and the orange colored one is the gold one. First of all, I would like to, you can see our wall socket have a very thick aluminum cover. It used to block all the EMI that may contaminate to the hi-fi gear. Normally, in the normal household, you will only use a very thin plastic cover, but that plastic cover cannot block the electricity interference. But with our very thick aluminum alloy, this is like a 7mm thick. It will block all this contamination. And in the metal part, this one is a very thick metal part inside. That's why it can deliver more power to the gear. You can see one is our gold socket. You can see that is a 3-pin. Normally they will only use 2 pin. That's why it is cannot grip so hard. But with 3-pin, the connector will be grabbed very tight, and then the power can deliver very smooth and more power to deliver to the machine. For the platinum socket, we employ a very thick metal part inside. Can deliver much more power to the machine, and inside it is a bronze base and with a phosphor blonde on top of it, and finally the outer plating is the platinum. This kind of 3-layer structure can deliver a very high quality power to the machine. And about the platinum socket, the sound character is it will bring very transparent sound, and the high and low extension is better, and it will have a very strong dynamic giving to the machine. And of course, because it is cryogenic treated, that's why the sound is much quiet. All the details that come from the speaker, yeah, it is very high-end stuff. Gold-plated socket. It's not just gold-plated. Inside it has also phosphor bronze and brass and gold. That's why this 3-layer can bring a quiet and warm, sweet sound to the machine. Yeah. For example, if you connect to this, normally people like some vocal part and sweet song, then you choose the gold socket. But if you are using a high-end system or AV system for the audio and visual performance, and you like to have a very good quality of high-end system, then of course we will suggest you to use the platinum socket, our top wall socket. Yeah. And you can see, because since the metal part is very solid and with 3-pin, if the connect to this, wow, it is very tight. Yeah, it can hold about 2 kilograms of tight. That's why it is a audio grade connector. So if you want to improve the performance of your high-end system or your AV system, this is the first thing you need to do to change the wall socket, the SINE cryogenic wall socket. We have blue color one is the platinum socket, and the orange one is the gold socket. Thank you. Kabun Cup.